Hi, I'm John, an investing expert with Exodus Capital. If you're looking to start building wealth in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top strategies for beginners to grow their financial future, and trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because these tips are game changers. These strategies are designed to work no matter your starting point. Whether you're working a 9-to-5, running a side hustle, or just trying to figure out where to start, I've got you covered. So make sure to watch all the way through and don't miss out. Before we dive in, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Every like and share helps promote these tips to others who need them. Ready? Let's get started. Building wealth starts with knowing what you're working toward. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose focus. Ask yourself, are you saving for a home? Looking to retire early? Wanting to build passive income? Take Sarah, one of my clients. She started 2024 with no savings plan. After setting a clear goal to save $10,000 for a down payment, she created a budget, reduced unnecessary expenses, and hit her target in under a year. Goals create focus and momentum. That's step one. Define what wealth means to you and write it down. Let's move on to the next strategy. One of the easiest ways to build wealth is to pay yourself first. Automation takes the guesswork out of saving and investing. Mark, a 30-year-old engineer, set up an automatic transfer to his investment account every payday. Over 5 years, he accumulated $50,000 without even thinking about it. By automating, you build wealth without relying on willpower. Whether it's $50 or $500 a month, set up an automatic system today. In our courses, we guide you on how to maximize these savings with the right accounts. If relying on just one source of income is risky, diversification isn't just for investing, it's for income too. One of our students, Alex, works a full-time job but started a side hustle on weekends, reselling items online. That extra income allowed him to invest in stocks and even purchase his first rental property. At Exodus Capital, we teach you how to build multiple income streams from side hustles to passive income through investments. Think about what skills you have and how you can turn them into revenue. Wealth isn't just about saving money, it's about putting that money to work. In 2025, investing in assets like stocks, real estate, or even your own business is key. Jessica, another student of ours, invested in index funds starting with just $1,000. By consistently adding to her portfolio, she's on track to retire early with a 7-figure nest egg. You don't need to start big. The key is consistency. Our courses provide detailed guidance on choosing the right assets for your goals. The financial landscape changes constantly. What worked 5 years ago might not work today. Staying informed is critical. During the 2020 pandemic, many investors pivoted to online business opportunities. One of our clients, Mike, started an e-commerce store that now generates 6 figures annually. Next, let's talk about the role of technology in wealth building. In today's digital age, technology can simplify and enhance your investment strategies. Blockchain technology is also making waves in the financial world. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin offer new investment opportunities, while blockchain's secure and transparent nature is being used to streamline various financial processes. At Exodus Capital, we believe in leveraging the best technology to help you achieve your financial goals. Our platform integrates with several leading financial tools, providing you with a comprehensive suite of resources to manage your wealth effectively. By embracing these technological advancements, you can take control of your financial future with greater confidence and ease. Stay ahead of the curve and make technology your ally in your wealth-building journey. Another crucial aspect of building wealth is understanding taxes and how to minimize them legally. First, let's talk about tax-efficient investment strategies. One of the most effective ways to minimize taxes is through tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs. These accounts offer significant tax benefits that can help you save more money over time. For example, contributions to a traditional IRA or 401k are often tax-deductible, meaning you can reduce your taxable income for the year. On the other hand, Roth IRAs allow your investments to grow tax-free, and you can withdraw the money tax-free in retirement. Another way to minimize taxes is by investing in tax-efficient funds. Index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are generally more tax-efficient than actively managed mutual funds because they tend to have lower turnover rates, resulting in fewer taxable events. Lastly, it's essential to stay informed about changes in tax laws and regulations. Tax laws can change frequently, and staying updated can help you take advantage of new opportunities to minimize your tax burden. Understanding and implementing these tax-efficient strategies can significantly impact your wealth-building journey. By minimizing your tax burden, you can keep more of your hard-earned money working for you and reach your financial goals faster. Finally, let's discuss the importance of having a financial mentor or coach. Wealth building is a complex journey, and having an experienced guide can make a significant difference. A financial mentor provides not only guidance but also accountability and support, helping you stay on track and make informed decisions. Finding the right mentor starts with identifying what you need. Do you need help with investment strategies, budgeting, or long-term financial planning? Look for someone with expertise in those areas. Let's recap the top strategies to build wealth in 2025. Set clear financial goals, automate your savings and investments, diversify your income, invest in growth assets, and keep learning. Ready to take action? Visit exoduscapital.com. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends and family. Let's help more people take control of their financial futures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.